All right, I'm going to show you a quick eyeshadow look just using 4 colors. I use this color Trust in my brows as well. I'm just going to do a little lining with it. And then our newer color Butterscotch. This one is Hot Chocolate and Drift. So super simple. I'm going to show you placement and how you can have a really nice look without taking a ton of time. So first, you always want to get your eyeshadow primer on your eye. My favorite's Urban Decay. I just find that for my lid, this one will last all day long for me and not crease at all. Okay. So once that is on, my first step is going to be to do the lining part while that eyeshadow primer is kind of still wet. So I'm going to just press it in. By pressing it onto the eye, you're not dragging it, so you're not going to be sending the eyeshadow across your face. And this will help reduce any fallout if you are one who likes to do your makeup first. I tend to just always start with my makeup first. It's honestly your preference. Okay. So now that you have your kind of lined look there, we're going to go into Butterscotch. And I'm just going to do a couple pounces in the color, coating my brush. And then I'm going to take that and start doing light little pounces in the crease and making sure I get some of that color on that upper brow bone. Now, as you can see, I'm holding the eyeshadow brush way low. And that just helps so you don't have a heavy hand while you are doing your blending in circular motions. And then I just drag a little bit of that brown underneath the eye. Just like so. So you can see how that really opened up the eye with the color. So same thing, couple taps. And tap that into the crease. If you get a little too much color on your brush, I always have like a little paper towel by me so I can bounce between colors as well. Okay. So now taking the pointy end, I'm going to go into that color called Hot Chocolate. And I'm going to place this on the lid. And pat that in. Not really going over much of the other color that we've already placed, just on that lid. So pretty. Isn't that so pretty? I love it. Same thing on the other side, filling in that lid. And by not placing an eyeshadow like on the lid, you're getting true color to what this is. And also the ability for it to stick to your lid is much better, being that it's a shimmer because you didn't already place a powder. So you still get a little bit of the tack of that left. So now I just kind of dusted off my brush so I didn't have any leftover brown that would transfer. I'm going to go into my Drift color, a couple pats. And I'm just going to soften that line, that brown. Yep, just soften that line and get a little shimmer color up towards the top. I like this because it's not too shimmery, but it ties the look together. Flipping over again, make sure you brush off your tip from that darker color, and then move in and add. That's so pretty. Add that inner corner pop. So I absolutely love pairing eyeshadows together. So if you are not the best at like doing pairs and you want help in this area, I would be so happy to help. It's so much fun. But look at that. Isn't that so pretty? And I also like to be matchy-matchy, hence why I have like all of our eyeshadows because they're awesome. If you do feel like you want to check for any follow, all you have to do is take your fluffy brush and do a little swipe. Like I said, I'm usually really good with no fallout. So now for lashes quick, and then I'll let you see the end look. But you can see how in less than 5 minutes, if I wasn't talking and I was actually focusing on what I was doing, you can have a beautiful eye look, and then however long it takes you to put your mascara on, or if you like doing false lashes, completely your preference. I always think I think for my birthday, I want to ask for Lashify lashes. Those intrigue me and they look so easy and so fun to do. I'm a little picky with my lashes, so I have my fun little comb here that if I feel it's a little clumpy or I need to separate anything, this is an awesome tool if you do not have. I call it a lash comb. I'm sure there's other purposes for it too, but that's all I use it for. It's my lashes. I feel like I saw a hair somewhere. All right, hang tight. Lashes are almost done. This is why Lashify would be so nice, because if you think about it, that 5-minute mark when my makeup would have been done, if my lashes were already done, you wouldn't have to do this for 2 minutes. But still, all in all, if you could have a 10-minute, 12-minute face, you could have a quicker face if you didn't want to get like intricate. But still, this face, because this takes me like 5 minutes. So 5 minutes for my face, like 5 to 7 for my eyes, depending what I'm doing. But look at it. Isn't that so fun and so pretty? Love it, love it, love it. So if you want help with some eyeshadow colors, I'd be so happy to help you. And I'm actually going to probably do a live with my new fun colors. So hopefully you enjoyed this little tutorial, and let me know if you would like these brown colors, and I can send you the link and send you exactly what colors they were again. All right, take care.